Carburetor is awesome, sounds a lot better. Back the float out a little bit, sound even better. But overall, it just misfires as the engine gets warmer. And that is a conclusion. I do not know why. And if any of you know, put it in the comments below because it's really confusing me and a few other people I know. Carburetor back in today. Looking really good. All the seals are redone. I think these are put in a sandblaster and sandblasted off and painted, or they're totally brand new. I really love that a lot. And yeah, everything's new gaskets. Everything should be good. Everything's adjusted to spec, or stock I should say. And yeah, let's throw it on and see what we got. Looks really good. Really good. Okay, so I got everything I got the governor spring in for the throttle, and I got the choke in, and I'm having problems getting the I'm gonna just call it the fuel jet in. I can't. It's kind of hard to put in there, so I'm gonna try and just bracket it up and try and push the fuel jet in, and hope for the best actually, because that thing is not going in at all. So let's get to that. So I just got it all mounted up, got everything in, the choke works perfectly, the throttle is in there, not rubbing at all with the fuel line. Got them all separated, got the fuel line in. The sleeve was really tight. I had to jam it forward. It was stuck or something. That's why it was like, here's the tip, and the sleeve was like way back here, and I had to push the sleeve forward. So that's why I couldn't get it in before. All the fluids are good, and I think I'm just gonna put everything back on. I should start seeing some fuel or something after I crank it over a few times. I need to put it on choke and just crank it a few times and get the fuel through. Actually, probably leave it open for a little bit. And yeah, we'll get back to when the tube is thrown on and I got all the sensors back in place, I remember, and yeah. Okay, so I got everything on. Got the carburetor all finished up, got the piping on, got everything done. Actually, no, I still need to plug these in, but everything's done. I zerked all the greases, blah, blah, blah. No, other way around, I greased all the zerks. And yeah, looks pretty good. I got the, antifreeze an inch above the last coils I could see about, and all the fluids are good. And I think it's ready to start. And yeah, when we probably move it or start it next, I'll probably be in the next video, but yep, everything's done, it's ready to go. Now I just gotta throw the bars leak in it, which will be in the next video. And hopefully that seal over there keeps, since I put all the stuff on it. And yeah, not blowout, that's what I meant. So out of everything I've done today, overall, the engine sounds 100% better when I put in the new carburetor, but when it gets hot and the engine runs for longer time, it likes to misfire and backfire, and it's really loud, and it doesn't sound very healthy at all. And still, I don't think that the water is opening, or the pump is dead, but the pipe is cooled down here and warm at the bottom, and in between it's cold and warm. So I don't know, problems. It did not smoke today, which was good. Carburetor is awesome, sounds a lot better. Back the float out a little bit, sound even better. But overall, it just misfires as the engine gets warmer, and that is a conclusion. I do not know why. And if any of you know, put it in the comments below, because it's really confusing me and a few other people I know. We have a slight possibility it's timing and all kinds of other stuff, but why would it be timing if the engine runs perfectly fine at lower RPMs not lower RPMs, lower engine temperature. So the engine just overall sounds bad and unhealthy when engine temperature goes up. But other than that, sounds 100% better, just not when the engine gets warmer. And if you guys know anything, any solutions, put them down in the comments, because I'm, like I said, very confused. And yeah, let me know. And goodbye.